Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure both your iPhone and the TV or speaker are on the same Wi-Fi. This is required for AirPlay to work. Once done, check for any pending iOS or device updates so you avoid compatibility errors. Now open Control Center. Swipe down from the top right on modern iPhones, then tap Screen Mirroring. This first action initiates discovery and tells your iPhone to look for available receivers on the network. Next, select the device name that appears. You may see the TV brand or a device label. If the TV shows an AirPlay code, type that 4-digit code into your iPhone to authenticate and start the stream. For media apps like YouTube or Netflix, you can instead tap the cast icon inside the app for better playback control. This uses the app's native casting path. Adjust volume and orientation from the iPhone while the connection establishes to confirm everything is working. To finish, open Control Center again and tap Stop Mirroring, or use the In-App Disconnect button to end casting cleanly. Make sure to check volume and playback controls before you walk away, because some apps keep streaming. If playback stutters or won't connect, restart the iPhone and the target device. Verify both are on the same Wi-Fi band and install any pending updates. This simple recovery often resolves AirPlay discovery and compatibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.